Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change mail Steam. You are going to open the Steam app. There, click on the Steam menu and click on Settings. In the Account section, you are going to click on the Change Email Address button. Now click on one of the available options. In this case, we will ask that a code be sent to the current email. After that, enter the code you received. Click Continue. It's time for you to enter the new mail to use in Steam. You are going to click on Change Email, and then you must enter the code that you will receive in this email. When entering this code, click Confirm Email Change. Thus, you will have changed your email in Steam. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.